Hello friends, welcome to Silk Zone. Today here I am with the very beautiful sarees with the Mother's Day offer. You are going to purchase these sarees at the discount price on the occasions of Mother's Day. These beautiful sarees are going to be your on the very beautiful discount offer. The discount details are given in the description. The coupon code is also given in the description. By using that coupon code, you can purchase this saree through the Silk Zone, means through our website www.silkzone.in. You can apply this code and you can purchase these sarees for your mothers and you can gift her. These sarees we are giving you at the very discountable price just because on the occasion of Mother's Day, because Mother's Day are very important for everyone in our country and everyone loves their mother, and we are very happy to make your mothers happy. Just purchase the sarees and gift to your mother. Sajjan, make her happy. Her happiness will be very important for you and your good feedback will be important for us. Friends, just don't lose the chance. Just purchase these beautiful sarees at the discountable price on the occasions of Mother's Day and just gift your sarees to your mothers. These sarees are Tasar Munga sarees with the beautiful weaving designs of zari designs. As you can see, these sarees are Tasar Munga sarees which is having a weaving buta design all over the saree in a with the zari. The zari is also made in the both side of the saree. As you can see, the beautiful sarees, this red one and all of the collections are very beautiful. Even I'll show you the plain one in this video. Keep watching this video, friends. Don't skip this video because today I'm going to tell you a very best thing about the Silk Zone, because Silk Zone is giving you a 1 lakhs offers to purchase the sarees or to get the saree at the free of cost from the Silk Zone by doing some little bit activities. Just to give me comments, you are going to get a 1 lakhs offer from us. You may be our happy customer, you may be our favorite customer, but now the time is to become a luckiest customer, because the lucky customer is going to get a free saree from the Silk Zone. The thing what you have to do is just only go to our website www.silkzone.in, create your ID, log into that and create your ID, create your password, and by the name from which you will create your ID, the same name with your good feedback, you just give a comment in our comment section in the YouTube video, and at the end of the every week a luckiest customer is going to get a free saree from us. Means at the free of cost, just only by creating an ID you are going to get a free of cost saree. Means Tasar silk saree worth of 4,000 rupees saree, you are going to get it from the Silk Zone at the free of cost, just only on the occasions of the Mother's Day. And the sarees which I am showing here today in these videos are available for your our customers for the discount price. The discount price is given in the description. Just go to our description, check it out, use the coupon code there. The discount percentage, discount details, everything is mentioned there. You can purchase these sarees in our website by using the coupon code at the very affordable, very discountable price of very lovely sarees. One more thing, friends, I have uploaded one more video before a few hours before. You can go through that also. The previous video link is also given in the description. You can check it out. That was Tasar by Tasar silk sarees, and this is Tasar Munga sarees, weaving designs, buta designs. That saree were Tasar silk sarees with printing designs, and that saree that sarees were also offer sarees, discount offer sarees for on the occasions of Mother's Day. Even you can purchase that sarees also, this sarees also, by using the coupon codes given in the description. Go and check out that video also. For that latest Tasar silk sarees collection, by using the coupon code you can purchase that saree also for the very beautiful discountable price. And the best thing I wanted to show you, I wanted to say you friend that the previous video, as I told you that the offer is valid for only 1 day, but friends, today you are going to get this offer for 3 days. Means we had extended the offer for 3 days. Means offer is valid for today, tomorrow, and also for the day after tomorrow. For 3 days this offer is valid. You can grab the offer either for that previous video, either for this video. Tasar silk printing saree also you can purchase at the cost of very less price. Like you are going to get a very beautiful discount offer for that video sarees also and for this video sarees also. Go to www.silkzone.in, select the saree, add to cart, use the coupon code and purchase the saree at the discountable price, affordable price, and give it to your mother, gift to your mother, and make her happy, make her smile. That will be very precious for you as well as for us. These sarees are very beautiful, and don't skip the video, friend. I'm going to tell you one more thing about the lucky customer. You can be our best customer. You could be our favorite customer, but now the time is to become our luckiest customer. You can become our lucky customer by just doing a few steps. Just go to www.silkzone.in and create your ID, create your password, and just mention the same name whatever you have created, by which name you have created the ID. The same name you just type in the comment section of the YouTube by using a good feedback along with your name, by the name which you have created in the website, and one of the luckiest customer is going to get a Tasar silk sarees at the free of cost. The customer who will be getting this saree will be we will be announcing her name in the next of the video, and even will request our customer to show the videos that packet gift in the video. The customer will be very happy, very happy customer you will be seeing. It may be you also, friend, it may be you, it may be your friends, it may be your relatives. Anyone can be this one, anyone can grab this offer. So don't lose the chance, just share it to your friends, relatives. Let them also know about this offer, and let them also do the comment in the comment section if they may be the luckiest one, or you may be also the luckiest one. So just share to everyone and just let them know about this offer. Just grab the offers and just you become the luckiest customer. This is not only for the first time, I mean this will be not only for one time, because this offer is going to be for 1 year. Means every month we will be conducting 4 offer video. Month of the first week, the luckiest customer is going to get a Tasar silk saree. In the next week, the luckiest customer will get linen saree, and the third of the week of the month, the luckiest customer will get a khadi linen saree, and the last week of the month, the customer will get a soft silk saree. So it may be you, your friends, relatives, anyone. Just go and grab the offer, friends, and keep watching our every videos and keep subscribing, and don't forget to press on the bell icon, so as soon as I'll post the video, you can have a notification. You can see our latest collection, latest offer collection as soon as possible, and you can have a look to that, and you can purchase this, and you can become our luckiest customer, friends. A very beautiful sarees. In the previous videos also you can do the comment, and for this videos also you can do the comment, and you are going to get a good offer sarees from the Silk Zone, and you are going to be luckiest customer for our offer sarees. So every month, as I told you, I will be posting the video. You just do commenting and just become our luckiest customer, and just get the saree at the free of the cost. There will be no any charges for that. At the free of the cost you will get, just at the cost of commenting. Like if you give a good comment and just you will put your name, you are going to get the saree at the free of the cost. As you know that, friends, the Silk Zone is going very high nowadays. Silk Zone has achieved a very good success in this, just because of your love, support, and purchasing from the Silk Zone. I know you people had given a lot of love to the Silk Zone. You are purchasing a very good collection from us. We are giving you the best quality, and day by day I am getting orders from you people side, and the sarees from which we are giving you are the very best and the awesome quality, because we do not do any compromise to our qualities. Friends, your mother's happiness, your mother's prayers are very important for us. If they will be happy, you will be happy, and if you people will be happy, we will be happy. So purchase the saree for this Mother's Day and offer your mothers. Just gift her the sarees and make her happy. This sarees is offer prices I told you, just only for the 3 days, friends. Don't forget that, and don't lose the chance. And one more thing, friends, this is valid for 3 days also, and one more prepaid booking is also available, which is valid for the 40 days. Means within 3 days, if you book any sarees and for the previous next 40 days, then you are going to get this sarees at the cost of the same price. And for the sarees which you have pre-booking, you are just going to pay 500 advance for this, and other remaining payment you can do at the time of COD. Means at the time of delivery you can pay the remaining amount, and you can purchase at the same price which I am giving it for the today. The cost of the plain saree is 3,500, and the weaving sarees are 4,000, as you saw in this video. And the discount offer is applied for all the sarees. For these videos, all the sarees are available in our website. You can go through there, or else you can just take the screenshot and can share us in the WhatsApp. For any kinds of queries and any kinds of questions, you can contact us. Contact details are given in the description. You can directly chat us, or you can call us also. For any kinds of queries, any kinds of help, we are always available to help you, and we feel very happy to help our customers. The sarees, as you are seeing, are very beautiful, very awesome. just see this sari, Tasar Munga sarees. The price is also very affordable because because you are purchasing from directly from the manufacturer, so you are getting these sarees at this types of price. Because if you go for this kinds of sarees in other place, definitely friends, I can say that you are going to pay very high amount for these sarees. You are getting in this less price because you are directly purchasing from the manufacturer. Along with that, we are giving you the discounts also. So for the discounts, just go and check out the description and just apply this coupon code and purchase the saree at the discount price. It is valid for 3 days. We had extended the days for this sarees also, and for the previous video also. The previous video link is also given in the description. Click that and check out that both sarees. Don't forget to place the order. Don't forget to purchase the saree, and don't lose this offer, because once you lose the offer, you are not going to get this kinds of saree as this discountable price. Very beautiful, awesome collection sarees. Thank you so much friends for watching my video till now. Just grab the offer. Thank you so much. We are very happy for our customers. Thank you so much.